Hello everyone, myself Chanda Sai Siri from 9th class studying in R4C Techno School, Kotapelli, Karimnagar, and my topic is about surface areas and volumes of cube, cuboid and cylinder. Total surface area of cuboid. So let's draw the cuboid. So this is the cuboid which has length, breadth and height. Okay. So this is a cuboid which has 6 surfaces and which has length, breadth and height. So it has 6 rectangles. It has 6 rectangles. So let's find out the total surface area of cuboid. So L into B plus L into B, because L into B front side and back side. Okay. So plus B into H plus B into H, because left side and right side. So B into H plus B into H. H into L plus H into L, top and bottom, plus H into L plus H into L. So H into L. So let's take common. Okay. 2LB plus 2BH plus 2HL. So 2 common. So 2 of LB plus BH plus HL. So we got total surface area of cuboid. So let's find out the curved surface area of cuboid. So first, what is the curved surface area? It has 6 rectangles. Okay. Now we have to find the curved surface area. Curved surface area means which does not have top and bottom. It has only 4 surfaces which does not have top and bottom. So B into H plus B into H plus H into L plus H into L. So 2BH plus 2HL. So let's take 2H common. 2H common. Okay. So 2H of B plus L. So we got the curved surface area of cuboid. So let's find out the volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid. So what is the volume? So first, what is the volume? It holds. How much it holds and what is the capacity? So that is the mean of volume. So the volume of cuboid is L into B into H. So LBH. So finally we got total surface area, curved surface area, volume, and let's go to the cube. So let's find the cube total surface area. So total surface area of cube. So this is a cube which has only length, no breadth and no height. So this is a cube which has 6 surfaces and which has only length. So it has only 6 surfaces, right? So let's take 6L square and let's find out the curved surface area of cube. Curved surface area of cube. So we know the curved surface area does not have top and bottom. So it has only 4 surfaces. So it will be 4L square. So let's take the volume of cube. Volume of cube. So what is the volume of cube? It has only length, so L cube. So we have to find out total surface area, curved surface area and volume of cube. So let's go to the cylinder. So curved surface area of cylinder. So first let us draw the cylinder once. So this is the height, pi r square. So we have to get the curved surface area of cylinder. So this is the cylinder which has height and radius. So curved surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h. So let's find out the total surface area of cylinder. Total surface area of cylinder. So what is the total surface area of cylinder? So curved surface area of cylinder plus area of 2 circles. Area of 2 circles. So what is the CSA? Curved surface area is 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h plus what is the area of 2 circles? Pi r square into pi r square into pi r square. So 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. So what we get? Let's take common 2 pi r of 2 pi r. Let's take common 2 pi r. 2 pi r of h plus 1 more r. H plus r. So we got the total surface area of cylinder. Let's find out the volume of cylinder. So what is the volume of cylinder? Pi r square h. So this is my explanation about surface areas and volumes of cube, cuboid and cylinder. If you like my explanation, please give a like, share and comment. Thank you.